Coach Elizabeth Cadaw. Good morning, Coach Beth.
Good morning, everyone. I am Elizabeth Cadaw from Baguio City, used to be a government employee. And Herbalife was introduced to me when I'm recovering from dengue. And at that time, I have so many discomforts, like very low ang aking energy, madaling mapagod, and ang pinakaayaw ko is yung hindi ako makatulog sa gabi, pero pag nakasakay ka sa jeep, nakakatulog ka. And kahit umagang-umaga, so nakakasira ng voice, lalo na kung naka-uniform. Okay, may nakarelate ba doon? And very low self-esteem because of those pimples. Halos ayaw ko nang magpa-picture sa isurang yan. But replacing my breakfast with Herbalife products, I feel great. Kaya para makamura, I decided to sign up and qualify for the highest discount, yung 50% discount or yung supervisor position. And using the products consistently, my discomforts was addressed. And as a bonus, I gained 8 kilos. Now, attending our first international training in Macau, na-open ang aking pananaw na ang aking pinasukan na kumpanya ay legit. Pwedeng maka-earn ako ng extra income. So when I came back, I opened my nutrition club and started doing Herbalife part-time. I love my work, but I don't own my time, and sometimes it's stressful ang surroundings. So last 2019, I decided to do Herbalife full-time. With the facts about our products and the company, I believe I will achieve my dreams na walang kakompetensya. Dahil kung sa gobyerno, marami kang kakompetensya. And of course, my katapat na work and dedication. So I thank God for Herbalife. Now, pupunta na tayo sa aking topic. Ang aking topic ay, next po. Okay, so food nutrients. Okay, so ano kaya ang functions and importance ng food nutrients and a healthy diet? Okay, so ito yung sources natin. Pwedeng makita nyo yan sa www.herbalife.com /n-ph-/wellness. Okay? Or makikita nyo yan sa HN Journey. Meron dyan. Okay? So, each day, our bodies need certain amounts of nutrients, okay, that are found in our different foods. Now, in order to maintain a healthy diet, it's important to recognize the significance of the food nutrients. So, ano ba yung mga nutrients na kailangan ng ating katawan? Okay, next po. Ang una is yung protina. Okay? So did you know that protein is beneficial to hair, skin, and nails? Yes, okay, because it is an essential nutrient which play a vital role in building and maintaining body tissues while providing energy and supporting metabolism. So amino acids from protein satisfies hunger, it maintains also muscle mass, it gives you energy, and supports immune function, and yung sinabi ko, it is beneficial to hair, skin, and nails. So, meron dyan nakalagay, eat 2 to 3 servings from different sources every day. Okay, so ano ba yung mga sources niyan? Okay, next po. Okay, so we have the plant protein base and animal protein base. So it is found in animal sources like meat, fish, poultry, eggs, and dairy products. Now, it is found also in plants like beans, lentils, and soybeans, which unlike animal proteins have no cholesterol and less fat. So incorporating these nutrient-dense like fish, chicken, soybeans, and lentils into our daily meals is recommended. So, nakikita nyo yan, screenshot nyo yan, then titignan nyo kung ano yung mga plant-based protein and animal-based protein. Okay, next po. Okay, so animal protein versus plant protein. Ano ba yung pagkakaiba? So, while animal protein might be better, plant protein is still good alternative because plant protein alone can provide enough of the essential amino acids when proper protein choices are made. Okay? Now, vegetarians or vegans who follow a well-balanced diet can consume enough protein to support body function. So, sa mga ayaw ng fruits and vegetables, you can take our Formula 1 shake, yung shake natin, because that is a soya base which provide complete, high-quality protein to the body. Okay? So, next po. Yan. So, another one na kailangan ng ating katawan is yung carbohydrates. Diba? Palagi nating naririnig na 40% carbohydrates. Okay? Now, this is another crucial nutrient serve as the primary source of fuel for our bodies, particularly during exercise. And carbs break down to glucose, used for energy as glycogen. We have two kinds of carbohydrates. Makikita nyo dyan yung complex or good carbohydrates. It takes more time to digest and contain all kinds of goodies like fiber, vitamins, minerals, and sometimes yung phytonutrients that you get from plants. That's why it gives us lasting energy and makes us feel full. Meron din dyan yung fruits, vegetables, whole grains, beans. Colorful fruits and vegetables can also supply needed antioxidants and yung phytonutrients na sinabi ko kanina. Okay? And then another one is yung simple carbs or what they call yung bad carbs. Okay, it is easily digest and they contain sugar. Examples are yung white breads, rice, yung soft drinks, cakes, and cookies. So we should incorporate healthy carbs in our diet. Okay, so let's try to fill our plate with salads and vegetables, and also let's have fruits and vegetables for a snack, and use whole grain breads for sandwiches. Okay, next po. Okay, another one is yung fats. Okay, so we need 30% fat, so we don't need to eliminate all fat from our diet because we have the healthy fats and the bad fats. So we just need to know the healthy fats. Okay, so ano ba ang benefits? Makikita nyo dyan lahat yung mga importance of eating healthy fats. Okay, so fats is the important source of energy. It can support body function and helps absorb fat-soluble vitamins. They are essential. Why? Because your body cannot make them. And they support the function of the brain, the heart, the nervous system, and overall well-being. And our body uses them to make white blood cells. Okay. And it adds also flavor to foods. It keeps our eyes, skin, bones, and nails healthy. And also, it helps regulate our body temperature, okay? Now, healthy fats can come from yung fish or yung fish oil and also yung mga olive oils, okay? Next po. Okay, so we have kinds of fats. Makikita nyo dyan yung good fats and bad fats, ba? Okay, so we have the unsaturated fats, which called the good fats from plants. Okay, there are two kinds also of unsaturated fats. We have the monounsaturated fats and polyunsaturated fats. Ano ba yung pagkakaiba nito or ano ba yung mga monounsaturated fats? An example is yung mga avocado, nuts, olive oil. And yung mga polyunsaturated fats, yung omega-3 fatty acids, which is found in fish. And also yung omega-6. Kaya nga lang, kung minsan nakakarami tayo ng omega-6. So it should be balanced. Kaya meron tayong mga food supplement or yung mga omega-3. Okay? And another one is yung saturated fats, yung yun yung sinasabing bad fats, which is found in animal products like beef, pork, high-fat dairy foods like butter, yung mga margarine, cream, and yung mga cheese. And also yung mga trans fat like yung mga processed foods and baked foods, gaya ng mga pizza, yung mga hamburgers, and yung mga desserts nyo, and yung mga cookies and pastries. Now, para to keep fat intake down, ano ang gagawin? You should avoid fried foods or yung mga bake, yung mga roast, i-bake na lang ninyo and then i-roast and boil or steam your food. Go easy on sauces, gravy, salad dressings, yung mga mayonnaise, and yung mga butter and margarine. And also, try yung mga low or non-fat versions of foods like yung mga milk, yogurts, or yung mga salad dressings and snack foods. And it is also good to incorporate healthy fats into your diet. Add a handful of nuts, okay? Or yung mga avocado to a salad. And use olive oil in cooking also. And have fish a few times a week. But if you don't eat much fish, we have also the Herbalife line, the omega-3 fatty acid, our product, okay? Next po. And ang isa pang nutrients na kailangan ng ating katawan is yung fiber. Okay, ano ba yung fiber? Okay, fiber is yung mga nakukuha natin sa mga fruits and vegetables din. And fiber is essential for a healthy digestion. Next po. And for keeping the digestive system in a balance. Okay? So, ano ba ang maitutulong nito? Nandyan po lahat. Ibasahin na lang ninyo or screenshot ninyo. So, it helps to move foods through the digestive tract. And it is found in vegetables. Ayan. Fruits, beans, oats, whole grains and pasta, whole wheat bread, nuts also, seeds, and yung mga seeds. Okay? So, for women, ang kailangan natin is yung 25 per grams per day. Okay? And for men, 38 grams per day. Okay? And we have also two kinds of fiber. Ano kaya ang mga yun? So, we have the insoluble fiber and soluble fiber. So, yung insoluble, yung not digested by the body. Kaya it provides the bulk of intestinal contents. While yung soluble fiber, ito yung nakakatulong to regulate the digestion of carbs and other food components. It releases into the bloodstream and it helps control normal spikes in the blood sugar. Okay? Next po. Yan. So, we have here the fiber and herb and the fiber band, which is a great source of fiber. Pupulang tayo ng fiber. And you can get the most out of your day with a healthy breakfast. Alu, tea, and shake is already a balanced meal na meron ng complete na yan na may carbohydrates, a little fat, and fiber. Okay? So, by understanding the rules of different food nutrients and making mindful choices, we can achieve a nourishing and a balanced diet. Okay po? So, I think that ends my topic, and thank you very much. I hope you learned something. Kung kulang yung naintindihan nyo sa aking explanation, you can visit your HN Journey. Maganda yung pagka-explain ni Dr. Luigi Graton, si Dr. Haber, and ni si Dr. Meron yung isang babae. Nakalimutan ko yung name. Okay, so thank you. God bless
Thank you
po.
so much, Coach